Hello everyone! Today we are here to introduce you a useful site where you can get a visual materials related to the Bible. The site is called Free Bible Images. This site provides free pictures and photo materials from the Bible stories. I hope you can get pictures from the site and deliver your message to the children more effectively. Then, let's find out how to download images from the site together. Let's go! Open up the web browser and put the site URL. Address is also posted in the description section of the video. There are many ways to find the data you want on this site. When you open the page, there are photo and illustration buttons on the top. If you click on the photo, you will see the corresponding photo for each book of the Bible. It could be faster by pressing the Old and New Testament down here. And if you click on the illustration next to the photo, some illustration materials can be seen corresponding to each Bible except for the photo. According to your preference, you can choose between these two options. The next way to find the image is to search by book or by topic. It might be easier because more details are shown than the prior way. There are book, theme, and character buttons at the blue-colored bottom of the top line. To begin with, press the book button, then the list of books from Old and New Testament will be seen. You can click the Bible you want on the following list. I'll try Genesis. Like this, if you click the book you want, the image from that book will appear. Similarly, according to your preference, you can click either photo or illustration. Now, click the theme button next to the book button to see various topics such as Christmas and obedience and so on. I'll try obedience for an example. Then photo pictures related to obedience will appear in each book of the Bible. In the same way, you can use the character button next to the theme button. If you want to find Jacob, click J icon. Then, photo pictures related to Jacob will appear for each Bible like this. The last way is to click the search icon. You can search the images with keywords. Then, how do you download the found materials? For example, let's search for Jacob. Then, you will see some pictures related to Jacob. This number underneath each picture means the number of search pictures. If you click the material you want, you'll see 3 types of buttons on the right. First, View Slideshow button will display materials in order without having to download them. The simple explanation appears under the picture. This explanation can be made invisible by the eye-shaped button. The most frequently used button is Download Image Set, and you will see several types of files. You can download any type of file you want. There are ratio of the picture 4:3 or 16:9. Let's see 2 versions of the file that you are mostly like to use. First, I'll download the PowerPoint type 4:3 file. If you click the downloaded file, you will see PowerPoint file that has every image on each slide. Then, let's download the JPEG 423 file. The picture itself will be downloaded. Copy the downloaded picture and paste the picture to the PowerPoint that you are making. Another way is to download and print JPEG files or PDF files and use them printed materials when you don't have to use screens. That's it for today. How to use free Bible image site. I hope today's video will help you delivering God's message more effectively to the children. If you like today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye bye.